I know that there are some families and friends who don't do quarantine anymore, but me and my family still quarantine. We don't go travel around the world, but we do road trips. We go to the park, go hike, and go swim. I don't know how this sounds to you, but this was actually very fun and exciting. A way to stay healthy and a way to save money. Yeah, a way to save money in a way. How should I say this? Welcome to see the inside of my car. Dog harness, dog leashes, soda cans, tissue paper, and trash. Ew, yeah, thank you, Nikki. Who hung this here? What's this for? This front hood, I understand why there are scratches here. But on this side, on all four doors. More dust near on the glue front hood. More sense near everywhere. More stain. You don't just seats. You have base stain in the back seat, not. You have stain in the not here. Poaching. More little bit of fur here and there. Then do see no lock a name. Which I can tell you go jump to deep clean from the inside. Thấu có your personal belongings, important documents, other car decorations. Thấu có chồng đâu là tu thế đi dùng gì sao đâu là thế là chỉ bảo là she responsible. Nên từ chúng tôi nhận lòng cho của chế thế này. I don't think they are mine. Mà nên từ sẽ có chú có tơ nhau nó thế. No wonder my car stinks. Okay, that's not không chế tơ ta là. The very last thing that I'll be taking out of my car is this couple bunny right here. I'm going to take this home and wash it. The services that I received for interior deep cleaning are carpet shampoo, stain removal, pet hair removal, and odor removal. 3 hours later, I finally pick up my car from the car shop. I am very excited and very nervous at the same time because this is actually my very first car that I get a deep clean. Let's see how the inside looks like. Wow! Oh my goodness, look at how smooth and beautiful this car is. This looks just like a brand new car. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited! As I was told and be aware by the car maintenance technician, perfect. Look at this. This is good enough. This is almost perfection. Inserts before clips. But scratches over it, or what did they do? Back seats are clean, no more sands on it. Back seat When the base thing that I showed earlier, you see? Let's take a look at the trunk. Oh, what is this? Oh, these are what we left in the car, so that's why they put in the bags. This is my husband's home face mask from the mall market, our phone chargers, the pants that we left in here in case we need it. Look at how clean the trunk is. Before that, we used to carry party dresses. And so but they did a very good job. Là tôi cũng chết tại là cô hỏi tiền lần thì tôi không thấy nó cũng chết thế nó cũng sẽ không thấy cũng chỉ có lúc thế đó. It could be my mom's ring or it could be one of my auntie's ring. Cho có this one thấy từ auntie từ photographer nó chứ không thấy đồ and that one nữa có còn blow lúc chết thế nào. So this could be her ring too. This area is also clean. If you're gonna ask me if this is worth it to do, it depends. Depends on nhiều hùng bộ cha thì này họ tu hùng bộ đi cha. Giờ nếu muốn deep clean lo nên chỉ tu trong chuyện nữa đã các định đua. The reason why I decided to get my car deep clean is because I ordered this car seat protector from Amazon. She's a car seat protector now to prevent dirt and stain in the future. Thế giờ thì có lúc trên được biết chữ pay lo nữa chữ rồi nó có cho car seat anymore có chữ món này car seat protector nó lấy cho muốn xóa là xứ. Đời của tao chế lòng là mất tu đủ lưu chỉ một dust ít khó dập là hao chỉ một khó ai chỉ ya rồi nói là hú sư xì. I like my car to be neat, clean, and organized, so I'm going to show you how I organize my stuff in my car. Keep up at the international completing form. It's good to have these beforehand. When you keep your car on important documents, car menus extra eyeglasses, case and face mask, medical face mask, regular fabric face mask. In case I don't like to collect a lot of junk, so this is all I have in the front seat. Back seat the car trunks ball car tools in case snow shuffle. Go order the bomb mini roadside emergency kit no from Amazon. Mo alo na they total Q-tips and safety pins. Go mo emergency blankets no tia. Yoko duct tape tia. Ilu neon construction worker vest or car window ice scraper. Ilu hand press flashlight that do not need batteries. You just need to shake it to be rechargeable. It came with 3 ropes, a one-size raincoat, some car fuses, a few clean cloth, a car jumper, and that's everything in the roadside emergency kit bag. Cứ nhiều more organized by cho tăng your roadside emergency kit cho tăng đo yung na lo. Cứ khởi để phổ na to shop có trái thế. Khởi ilu empty na cho nó đo na nó thế. This is how I organize everything in my car, and that's it. See everybody on the next video. Bye bye.